Hello everybody, Johnny G from Naked Racer Motor Co. Today we've got a fabulous bike I want to talk about, 1969 XLCH Sportster. Just absolutely beautiful, 6,000 original miles, one owner. Now we want you guys to tell us what's going on here because we can't figure it out. Every nut and bolt original, the guy optioned the seat and the sissy bar when he picked it up brand new in the showroom. It's got 6,000 genuine miles. We cannot find where there's been a spanner on this bike. The exhaust looks like a 68 style exhaust, not a 69. And this paint is supposedly not available until 1970. Well, how was that? That was great. Sporty little bike, you know why they call them a Sportster. Anyway, I'll just point out a couple of interesting things that I like about this bike. They were so clever back in the day. Spring-loaded pillion pegs, so they're out the way for the Kickstarter and just pulled them down when the pillion was using it. The bike came standard with a magneto, and the key switch is in the magneto. So you put your key in there, you turn your magneto off, put your key in your pocket, bike's locked. Very, very cool. Find our contact details in the description and click on the link in the first comment and let us know what you think.